Hey, what is going on, guys? I just got my iPhone XS Max. It literally just came in like 5 minutes ago. So I'm just gonna do a simple unboxing here. I'm also gonna do a slight comparison to my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, as well as the original iPhone X. So why don't we go ahead and get the business? All right, so here is my iPhone XS Max. I got the 256 gigger. However, it can go from 128 to 256 all the way up to 512. Now with the iPhone XS, there's two versions. There's the XS, which is only 5.8 inch display. And then you have the XS Max, which is this one here. And this one is a 6.5 inches. Now it comes in three colors. It comes in silver, space gray, and gold. I got the silver. And let me show you the current price for the XS Max here. For the 64 gigger, it's $10.99. The 256 gigger, it's $12.49. And for the 512 gigger, it's $14.49. Now again, I got the 256 gigger, but I paid tax on top of that. So after taxes, I actually paid $1367.66, almost $1,400 for this bad boy right here. So why don't we go ahead and get to the unboxing here. Okay, I didn't even have to use my spinner knife here. That's just too bad. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, let me show you the box here first. I mean, there you go. And here's the back of the box here. You can go ahead and put this on pause if you wish. So let's see, right out of the box, first thing we get is this little pamphlet in here, and it should be a quick startup guide as well as some Apple logo stickers. And of course we get the SIM tray ejection tool right here. And here is the beautiful XS Max. It is in silver again. Let me go ahead and pull this off of here. And let's fire this baby up. And we'll see where the battery percentage is. Let me just put that to the side right now. Of course, we get a AC adapter here. We have some nice Apple earbuds here. And of course, as you guys know, the iPhone 7, the iPhone X, the iPhone XS, we no longer have the 3.5mm jack. You plug the earbuds just into the lightning port, which I don't like. I wish they would bring the 3.5mm jack back. And last but not least, we do have a lightning cable here. All right, so out of the box, we can see that there is no battery percentage here. I think because I have to go ahead and set up the phone really fast. So let me go ahead and set this up. All right, so finally done setting up the phone here, and let's see what the battery percentage is at, and we can see it is out of the box, 77%. So why don't we go ahead and give it a quick size comparison from the XS Max to the iPhone XS. Now, I don't have the iPhone XS, but I have the iPhone X, which is the same exact size as the iPhone XS, and I'll give you a quick side-by-side comparison here. You can see. Now, I've been playing a lot of PUBG on my iPhone X, but I need a bigger screen. So I've actually been using my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which is actually a fairly large phone as well. So hopefully I can go ahead and start using my iPhone XS Max for PUBG. Why don't we check out the display on the XS Max, the iPhone X, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. All right, so I just turned the lights off here. Let me go ahead and jack up the display brightness on all of them here. So let me go ahead and just go all the way up on the XS Max, Note 9 here, all the way to the Max, and the iPhone X here, all the way up. And let's take a look at the display here. Well, there you guys go. Actually, all three of these phones, I mean, look at the display. Nice, crisp, clear. Love it. Well, there you guys go. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Let me show you the back of the iPhone X versus the XS Max. They look exactly the same. Well, there you guys go. Guys, have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one.